the internet we think of as this sort of great equalizer, this very decentralized system. Nobody's in charge. No one failure causes a significant effect. It's really not true anymore because a small number of large companies play a pretty outsized role in the underlying infrastructure itself, and even more importantly, in the applications we access. At one level, that can be good because those companies can have professional staff and automate a lot of the aspects of running their networks, but it does create outsized risk when something does go wrong within any one of those organizations. In this case, not due to malice, just due to configuration mistake, but you can certainly imagine if malice is involved, the situation might be even more significant. The other thing that seems very important here is the greater return to decentralization of the internet. I think there's a lot of concern about the role these large companies have on the internet, and here it takes place in a sort of correlated outage. But I think there are also concerns about user privacy, particularly privacy of user data as well. And so I think it's an opportunity to reflect on what is the right balance of centralization to make things hopefully more professionally run and professionally curated versus a decentralization that can sometimes lead to a lower risk of really substantial outages. And I think that's a tension that both is an economic story about the role these companies play on the internet, as well as a technical one to understand what's the right balance between professional management of an infrastructure in a more centralized way versus decentralization to reduce risk.